All right, we're over here at Tommy's. We're working on today, now that we got the welder going, we're trying to fix this. It's the footrest. And every time you push down on the pedal, it's broken right there. You see that? So we're gonna take this off, take it apart, and see if I can weld that back together again. Back in the...
Let's see if I got it. Yeah.
Oh, there's a piece.
Just like new, like so.
Yeah, so here we are a little while later. I've got the welder out. Got the piece wedged up with some wood and stuff, so all I gotta do is give it a little tunk like that, and then I can weld it on. And for extra, I decided to take this hardened steel Allen wrench, and when I tack that, because it's just gonna break again, I'm gonna weld this in up top like that. Stiffen her up a little bit. Then we got the footrest straightened back out. That was twisted. But our latest problem now is brand new welder. I have no idea how to run it. Never seen nothing like it. I haven't welded for 20 years. High-tech stuff. I think I'm just gonna go and read the book. We'll read the book. If all else fails, read the instructions, right? All right, we'll be back in a bit. There, I got all the welding done. Then we had to bend this back, and now we're gonna see how this all fits. Yeah. Be right back.
Huh. Back. I wonder why the back bolt hole ain't lining up. Right there.
You got to put the first two in, the front two, and then bend it back.
And push it back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here you go. That one went in here.
Yeah.
And then this one threaded in the back somewhere on something.
Yeah.
I don't know where the
hole was. A hole.
I don't have any nuts.
Yeah, they're in that.
Well, here we go, folks. All bolted in. Stepped on it. Works great. Get the old 340 back out in the field. finish what we started out here. Another video. Hey, thanks for watching.